Hi, I just got off the phone with Grace in Sudan and also with Vinati from Voices of Women Worldwide, and we're just trying to document briefly the content of the conversation. Grace is in a very, very volatile situation at the moment. Her country is experiencing a number of military insurgents, and the likelihood of a United Nations arms embargo and sanction is imminent. She's in her hometown Juba, and she's working with an organization that is trying to safeguard human rights for women, especially for women who are raped as a weapon of conflict. And in the current situation, she's in a very, very volatile spot where we're not sure whether which rebel army or government forces will actually get control of her hometown, Juba. So as such, she's asking for legal support and ways of affiliating with international organizations so that she can better, her and her organizations can better document some of the human rights atrocities and violations that has been inflicted on the women in her hometown. Now, many of them might be in a situation where they won't be able to access any kind of media or even be able to read and write in order to document some of the things that has happened to them already. And furthermore, they're expecting that potentially in the coming months, if there's more UN sanctions, there may be even more violence and rape as a weapon of conflict happening within her community. So she's asking us to link her up with different legal organizations that deals with human rights and United Nations enforcement of some of the charters of human rights pertaining to conflict situations in order to help her better record, better document, and safeguard some of the human rights of the women in her hometown, Juba. And we are very concerned about her, and as women to women, we're looking at her situation, and what's foremost on our mind is that we want her to be well. We want her organization, which is blacklisted, to be afforded some protection.